Bitcoin is a decentralized digital network, which uses a blockchain to enable peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a central authority or intermediary. Each Bitcoin transaction is recorded publicly on a digital ledger and verified by a network of computers located all over the world, known as nodes. These nodes work together to verify the integrity of the blockchain. Meanwhile, Bitcoin miners focus on mining blocks to earn Bitcoin rewards. Blocks are found roughly every 10 minutes, and the rewards from finding a block rely on a predetermined distribution schedule that will see the final Bitcoin rewards paid in the year 2140. Bitcoin's ledger is immutable, meaning that confirmed transactions are not easily changed. Bitcoin's network is borderless, as it can be used anywhere in the world with an internet connection. It is permissionless in that no user needs external authorization to use the network. Bitcoin is open to everyone, 24 hours a day and 365 days a year. Bitcoin is considered censorship resistant due to its decentralized nature. Bitcoin in its simplest form is a network distributed globally, similar to the internet. The network is entirely opt-in, which has led to its organic growth. Due to the lack of a central authority, Bitcoin education has spread largely via word of mouth, and updates to the code are adopted or rejected by the network of nodes. Bitcoin the network is commonly referred to with an uppercase B. Alternatively, our next topic, Bitcoin the asset, can be identified via a lowercase b.